Same thing here at this end. You just normally start where we started at the bottom to the top. When we put them on, I normally go top to the bottom, taking them off. And then you can coil your hoses up, hook them away. Now, the one other thing to notice, take a look at my reservoir. It's actually dented in a little bit. So my suspicion is that my volume, my liquid volume is a little bit low. So the one very last thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and check my hydraulic fluid in here. Now the system is completely down, so this is as full as it should be. So go ahead and add any hydraulic fluid that's going to bring you back to about a 1/2 inch short of the top. Okay, and then you'll be good to go there. All right, pretty much that. You're all said and done. Go ahead and clean up, put your tools away. Good job. This is going to be a really important tool that's going to make a big difference to your car work over time. All right, as you can see, they've been put away, and I cannot wait to use these on my upcoming projects, and you're gonna see them use them on almost everything I do. You'll even find excuses to use them, and even like washing your car, taking your wheels off so you can clean your wheels entirely, clean your rotors, clean your calipers, all those things you need to do. They're really a fantastic tool. It is one of the most useful tools of everything I have, and I use them all the time, which is why now this is my 3rd set of QuickJacks as my usage model and how I use them continue to change and adapt over time. Couple of things now really quickly. Always make sure to check the boost cylinders. Every time that I use them, I always get out my bike pump and I check to make sure that they're at 50 pounds. Now the other thing is, don't ever run them down flat with your car on the rails themselves when your wheels are off, right? Because then it's going to be at a complete drop level and you're going to be trying to lift the entire car just off those boost cylinders. That's not going to work. So be very careful.